Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts Express Collector's Edition. Man, that's a mouthful. In the last part, we struggled a lot in putting this thing together, which I think either goes here or up here. I'm not sure yet, but maybe we'll see in this part. Anyway, I'll stop yapping and get the bag open here. Make sure we get everything out of here. There we go. Toss it to the side. Our piece came over here. There we go. Okay. And one more bag to get open here. Over here with the other small pieces. There we go. All right, so it looks like we're not going to be messing with the train, so we'll just kind of have it off to the side, maybe here. I don't think we'll be messing with that either, so let's go ahead and show the first page here. Okay, so we need another one of these, something like that. And this thing here to hold them together. Two long white pieces go on either side. Here's the next steps. So this goes there. Then we need two little brown pieces that can just snap together like that. It goes on the very top. Okay, there we go. We need a yellow brick to go in the middle. Maybe. There we go. It's just one of these, right? Sort of. What? Hang on. Okay. Like that. And then we need these to go on the bottom. Like so. So we're looking at it like this. That there and this here. We're looking at it like this way. That here, and where's that one? There's another one. Please. There we go. And they go here and here. Okay. Here's the next steps. And the next page. Okay, so we need, so we're looking at it like this way. This goes kind of like that. And then another little U. Well, now we're looking at it like this. Wait. Were we always looking at it like this? Yeah, we were. Oops. No, this way. Please. There we go. Okay. So wait, what? Okay, so two little black, not that one. I do need another one of these though. Let's go there. We need you. There you are. Okay. So looking at it like this, we need this and not that, not that. You, no. You, no. Okay, I'm not seeing the piece I need. And I need two of them. There's one. And let's see if we can find the second one. Found the second one immediately. Perfect. And it goes here and there. Now I need one of these, and this thing goes in like that. It goes in the middle there. Okay, on to the next page. There's all those, and the next two. Perfect. Okay. And we need another U type thing. There's that. Two greenies go on either side. Blue goes there, and another U. There it goes. The U goes on top of the greens. And now we're looking at it like this. We need this piece here and facing down on this side as well. Do this twice. And put it on either side, like that. This piece with one of these, and this little cap thing. And that goes there, I think. Yeah. All right, on to the next page. Here's all these steps and this one. Okay. So we can kind of move this there and grab this. Immediately put it to the side. Two blues to go through this black piece, it looks like. All the way? Yeah. All the way through. Like that. And we need to do the same thing for the other side. maybe. There we go. Okay. So we got that done. Now we need another one with a red piece, this red one. And it looks like only to that piece goes in, or to the little indentation goes through. And I need to do that twice. There it goes. Okay, like that. And they go in there on both sides. Perfect. Now we need 2 more of those, or 2 more of these things. Go back over, and they go all the way in on both sides. Okay, so just like that. And looking at it, this thing. So we got it like this, and like that. Okay. Perfect. We are paying attention to the directions this time. And we're doing the same thing. There we go. And looks like a yellows go on top. Like that. And like that. Okay. And we need to make 2 of these things. Okay. So we need a yellow. And we're going to hold it on the ground. We're going to move some pieces over. We need a yellow thing. Just enough there. Then a red to go on top in. And now looking at it like this, it needs to go in through here like that. Okay, and we need to do that again. Okay. I'm saying okay a lot. I don't know why. But the red goes on top like that. Now we flip it and do the same thing over here. Right? Yeah. Yep, just like that. Yeah. Now we flip the page. And here are the next steps. And the next page. Oh man, okay. So we get our little piece back here, and looks like it just goes in like that. So that's easy enough. And then we need a brown piece with one of these, I think. Goes on, long red goes there. Oh, I need to make one of these, okay, good. And then a short red. Short red is there. So just like that. And it goes on like that. Perfect. And these 2 go on either side of it. If I can find the other one, there it is. And then, oh, we just built another one. Okay. Well, it's not exactly the same, but it actually might be. So I do know that goes here. That goes there. I'm still looking for the main piece here. There it is. Goes there, so same thing. Same thing. Let's put that there. I'm just assuming I should probably flip the page and make sure I'm supposed to do the same thing. But why wouldn't I do the same thing, you know? Okay. So here's the next page. And just like what I said, $1.99 is what we just did. And we're going to be attaching it to the other pieces. An engineering illusion. Inspired by the GWR 4900 class 5972 Olton Hall steam engine used as the Hogwarts Express in the films, LEGO model designer Marcos Bessa, whatever, created a conical, can't read, illusion of the smooth engine. The diameter of each module is gradually reduced, but in small enough steps. I don't know why I can't keep my breath. That various combinations of brackets and special plates really bring out the subtleties of the LEGO building system. Let me read that in French for you. I'm not reading it in French. Okay. So I need to build 2 of these, so we'll go ahead and do each step at the same time. So okay. So we need to spin them around. Okay. Then one of these goes on both of them, and a little cap on the side. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, okay. And it goes here. There we go. Now we're working on the top. This piece maybe. There we go. This one here. This one there. And I need 2 more. There and there. And looks like it goes on this side. Oh, I didn't do this step. My bad. So we need this thing and this goes there. We need 1 more of that weird looking piece. There it is. Perfect. Okay. And it goes like right next to it or a little bit further over. I like that. That makes more sense. Okay. Now it goes in here. Like that. So we're looking at it like that on the box. So I think the bell goes here. Anyway, that doesn't matter. We're not there yet. Okay. Just go ahead and show the next 2 steps. There you go. And we're going back to the train. So we're gonna move that over, bring the train forward. Might need to zoom out just a smidge. I might do a 0.6 on it. Does it stop? It does stop. Sweet. So this moves the train. I need to look at it like this though. And now we're putting this on like this. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good there. So here are the next couple steps. And 207 through 209. So now we have the bell. Bell is upside down here with this long thing that goes through it, and it goes in the top. Is it supposed to? Maybe I shouldn't have pulled it out. Okay, let's put it back. So it is doing something, but it's not. Oh, it's because it's not attached to the bell yet. Okay. My bad. That's on me. My bad. Okay. So now we're working actually on the front of the train, it looks like. So we need a long piece. So with the two. Not that one. There we go. Okay. Like this. And we have these little pieces like that that are going in like this. All right, let's go ahead and show the next few steps. So now we're looking at it like this. We need a black on top there. Two more here. Felt weird. No, I'm dumb. You have to use this thing. So if you're noticing me shaking a lot, I swear I'm not on crack or whatever. I had a massive headache earlier. I took medicine, so it makes me kind of shaky, if you will. but I'm good now. I swear, no drugs. Drugs are bad. You shouldn't do drugs. Having issues here. Get back on there. Okay. That's better. Okay, now we're on here. With what? This thing? Okay, that kind of goes in the center here. Weird. Okay, now this next, we can move that. This next one needs, actually, this black thing with these going through the second and fourth holes. Going on top of it. Maybe like that. Okay, so has to go like that and like that. There we go. And still looking at it like this, we need it now here. We good? We good? I think I still have all my fingers there. Scratch my pinky though, it kind of hurt. Okay, now we need our piece back. And it goes where? So this black piece, like that, okay. I was like, what? What? Wasn't making sense for a second. Okay, so like that, we good. Okay, here's the next few steps. And the next one, which is attaching what we're doing to the front of the train. Looks like just a bunch of these. Okay, so need this to go in the back there. And you go on the top like that. And it goes on the front one? Yeah. It goes on the front. And we need to do that 2 more times, or 1 more time. We need to do it twice overall. Just like that. And it goes, same one, like that. And how's the middle one do it go? That. Oh my goodness, almost fell off the table. And I don't think it matters how it goes on there, just as long as it's on there. And straight. Like that. Okay, perfect. Now we need this thing to go in the center of this. And it goes in the center of these. It's kind of a push bar, stop bar thing. So like if you hit something, it doesn't damage the train as bad. But now we get to put it on the front of our Hogwarts Express. There we go. It's kind of flimsy. I'm pretty sure that'll change. Or maybe not, because on the box art it doesn't look like anything's holding it on except those two black things. But yeah, that was the end of that. We got all of that put in. I'm kind of curious about this. I don't know if something's supposed to go on top of that to make it work, but anyway, that was the end of bag number 5. If you enjoyed and want to see more, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to know when the next bag goes up, and I hope to see you there. See you.